Ever thought about visiting Easter Island? This remote speck in the Pacific Ocean, also known as Rapa Nui, is cloaked in mystery. Enveloped by miles and miles of endless ocean, it was discovered centuries ago by Polynesian navigators, who built a unique civilization here. What is their most enduring legacy, you may ask? The iconic moai statues. These towering stone figures with their brooding expressions are the silent witnesses of the island's past. Carved from the island's volcanic rock, they were somehow transported and erected across the island, an achievement that continues to puzzle scholars today. By the 19th century, the island was annexed by Chile. However, the spirit of the Polynesians continues to breathe life into this island. So, now that you've been introduced to the history of Easter Island, you might be wondering, what can I do there? Easter Island, a place of mystery and beauty, offers an array of captivating sights to see. Among these, Rano Raraku, the island's very own moai factory, is truly a sight to behold. This volcanic crater-turned-sculpture workshop is where the island's iconic stone guardians were born, each one more impressive than the last. Not far from Rano Raraku, we find Ahu Tongariki, the largest ahu or ceremonial platform on the island. Here stand 15 moai, majestically overlooking the vast Pacific Ocean, a testament to the ingenuity and resilience of the Rapa Nui people. Lastly, let's not forget Anakena Beach, a tropical paradise with its white sandy shores and swaying palm trees. This is no ordinary beach, though. Standing guard over the gentle waves are a group of moai, making Anakena one of the few places where you can relax in the sun and take in the island's history at the same time. With so many unique sights to see, you'll definitely work up an appetite. What's travel without trying the local cuisine, right? When it comes to Easter Island, or Rapa Nui as the locals call it, the culinary scene is a delightful fusion of traditional Polynesian flavors and Chilean influences. Our taste journey kicks off with Tuna Empanadas, a mouth-watering pastry packed with fresh, locally caught tuna. This is not your average empanada. It's a true Rapa Nui specialty that will leave you craving for more. Next on our flavor tour is Curanto, a traditional dish that's as much about the process as it is about the taste. This hearty meal is prepared by cooking a variety of seafood, meats, and vegetables in a pit dug into the ground, giving it a unique, smoky flavor that's hard to forget. Tuna ceviche. This refreshing dish is made with raw tuna that is marinated in lime juice, onions, and cilantro. It is often served with a side of avocado and corn. And let's not forget dessert. Poe is a sweet banana cake that's a must-try. This moist, rich treat, often laced with pumpkin or sweet potato, is the perfect way to round off your gastronomic adventure. After indulging in these local delights, you'll need a comfortable place to rest. Choosing the right place to stay on Easter Island can enhance your experience. Now let's delve into the heart of Rapa Nui, Hanga Roa. This quaint town, the island's only settlement, is where you'll find the perfect place to stay. Imagine strolling through charming streets, where local artisans display their craft, and the tantalizing aroma of traditional Polynesian cuisine wafts through the air. Hanga Roa offers a range of accommodations to suit all budgets. From the luxury of boutique hotels where you can relax in style after a day of exploration, to the warm, welcoming atmosphere of family-run guest houses, there's something for everyone. And the best part? You'll be just a stone's throw from the island's key attractions. It's the perfect base for your Easter Island adventure. Now you may ask, when's the best time to visit? Easter Island is a year-round destination, but some seasons offer unique experiences. The island enjoys a subtropical climate, meaning it's pleasantly warm most of the year. However, if you're a sun seeker, the summer months from January to March will be your best bet. But there's more to the story. February is not only a great time for basking in the sun, it's also when the island comes alive with the Tapati festival. This vibrant celebration of Rapa Nui culture is a spectacle of music, dance, and traditional sports competitions. It's a once-in-a-lifetime experience that's well worth timing your visit for. On the other hand, if you prefer a more tranquil setting, consider visiting during the shoulder seasons of April to June or September to November. These periods offer mild weather and fewer tourists, allowing you to explore the island's wonders at your own pace. Before you embark on your journey to this mystical island, there are a few things you should know to make your trip smoother and more enjoyable. First up, currency. The official tender on the island is the Chilean peso. While credit cards are widely accepted, it's always a good idea to keep some cash handy for small vendors and emergency situations. Next, language. Spanish is the official language here, but you'll find that English is commonly spoken in tourist areas. However, a few phrases in Spanish wouldn't hurt. Now let's talk connectivity. Internet access on the island can be limited and a bit pricey. If you need to stay connected, consider purchasing a local SIM card for data. Last, but certainly not least, respect the moai. These majestic stone figures are sacred to the Rapa Nui people. Touching or climbing on them is strictly forbidden. Remember, we're guests here, and it's important to respect local customs and traditions. With these tips in mind, you're all set to embark on your adventure on Easter Island. Enjoy every minute of your trip. Safe travels!